Sequoyah Hills, a luxury kitchen, luxury walk-in closets, a gunite pool. These are just a couple of the things that make 3800 Glenfield so special. I'm Haley Jones. Let's go check it out. So first things first, we are on the main level and we are in this beautiful kitchen. You've got quartz countertops, custom cabinetry. Every drawer you open is perfectly positioned for storage. This island is huge, is not even the right word, right? Also on this floor, you've got a sunroom. It's beautiful, a family room, an entertainment space, complete with wine coolers, perfect for entertainment and easy access back to the pool. So on this main level, think entertainment, think nice, bright and open. And also this house has been completely renovated throughout, which is hard to find. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, including the primary bedroom, which is beautiful. There's a beautiful ensuite bathroom with gorgeous floor-to-ceiling tile shower. You also have an awesome walk-in closet. The other 2 bedrooms, same thing, great sizes. There is a Jack and Jill bath that combines them, as well as one of them that has a closet that people are probably gonna fight over. And then finally, on the 3rd floor, there is a loft / bonus area, again, with a great full bathroom and another awesome walk-in closet. And finally, this backyard is beautiful. It's a true oasis. I know it sounds cheesy, okay, but there's a beautiful pool, a beautiful, huge back deck, a hot tub, a fire pit, plus there's grass green space. This type of yard is so hard to come by in Sequoyah Hills, and we have it right here. All right, what did you think? That is 3800 Glenfield. Those are just some of the awesome things about this house. If you're interested to come tour it, please give me a call. I'm Haley Jones, and I'll see you next time.